If you turn on your faucet and the water is orange or brown, that's red water iron. If your toilet has a reddish ring or the entire bowl stained a reddish brown color, that's iron in the water. And typically you need to put in our 2510 AIO Katalox Light iron filter. The difference between clear water iron and red water iron is this. Clear water iron has to hit air and be precipitated or oxidized out and starts to cause staining in your fixtures. Red water iron comes right out of the faucet with a reddish tinge to it. People ask, is it my old pipes that are causing the rusty stains or is it the well? Typically it's your well water. Your white laundry is coming out with a reddish brown stain, that's iron in the water and you need to put in an iron filter. For those of you who don't know, iron starts to stain and cause problems at 0.3 parts per million. You tried different products like CLR, Iron Out, and Vinegar, and the stains keep coming back. You need to put in an iron filter, remove the iron from the water, and the staining will stop. People want to know what actually fixes iron in the water. Typically what we recommend is our Fleck 2510 AIO Katalox Light system. It removes up to 30 parts per million of iron, up to 10 parts per million of sulfur, and up to 15 parts per million of manganese, and helps raise your pH at the same time. After 32 years of being in business, the water in my house is filtered by a carbon tank and a water softener. I have city water, it's hard, it tastes like crap, and it has high levels of chlorine in it.